Good morning. My name is Einstein.
Good morning, Einstein. My name is Daphne.
Can I help you?
I'm looking for a couple of t-shirts.
Good model. We have shorts, sleeves, and lots slits.
Short sleeves, please.
Okay, there are different tap types.
Okay, let me check.
Here we have different color. Which one do you prefer? Prefer?
I like this one. Is there in black?
Size are you?
I medium.
Okay, here you go.
I love it. How much does it cost?
Is 150 sols.
Can I pay with a card?
Yes, with all kinds of cards.
Thanks. Who has my card?
Is your purchase? We hope to see you soon. Take care.
Thank you. Take care.